Promoting a Discord server involves targeted outreach, engaging content, and community engagement to attract members. Define your server's niche. Identify your server's theme or purpose. Whether gaming, hobbies, education, or professional networking, clarity helps attract the right audience. Optimize server information. Craft an appealing server description, choose an eye-catching banner and logo, and set clear rules and guidelines. Leverage social media. Share your server on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, Facebook groups, or other relevant forums. Engage with communities by sharing related content and inviting interested individuals to join. Collaborate and network. Collaborate with other Discord servers or communities within your niche. Engage in cross-platform or partnerships to tap into their audience. Create engaging content. Regularly host events, contests, or discussions within your server. Encourage participation and highlight the benefits of being a member. Invite friends and connections. Encourage existing members to invite friends or connections who might be interested. Word-of-mouth referrals can be highly effective. Utilize Discord listings. Submit your server to Discord server listing websites. Platforms like Discord or Discord.me allow users to discover and join servers based on interests. Engage actively. Be active within your server, fostering a welcoming environment and engaging with members. Valuing each member's contribution encourages a sense of belonging and retention.